Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Easy peasy lemon Kwizie. Confused? Let me explain. In this age of AI, we are taking a fresh spin on the famous phrase. Instead of saying easy peasy lemon squeezy, it's time to shout easy peasy lemon Kwizie. I'm going to introduce you the cutting edge features of Kwizie.ai and discover how it has transformed the landscape of quiz generation. With the power of artificial intelligence, Kwizie.ai makes creating quizzes a breeze. Whether you are extracting questions directly from YouTube videos or utilizing audio and video files, Kwizie.ai provides a seamless experience. So there is a website on your screen named Kwizie.ai. Don't worry, I will share the link in the description. So let's talk about the key features. So it's very fast and no need to spend a lot of hours to create quiz. You can directly create quiz from the video or any YouTube link. The second very important major benefit is a data-driven learning. So no need to settle down with your guesswork. You can refine your delivery strategy with a powerful analysis tool here. Similarly, you can share via QR code or link to your students. So let's talk about pricing quickly. So you can see here it's free to generate 3 quizzes from any YouTube videos. You can use up to 5 chapters for long video content, and in case if you consumed all 3 quizzes, every Monday we will get 1 free quiz. Wow. So let's try and see how it works. So you have to sign in first of all. You can see here I'm going to sign in with my Google account. I just sign in with my Google account and you need to press continue. So you can see a very simple interface. Let's see how we can create a quiz from YouTube link. So click here first and you can paste your YouTube link here. After subscription, you can also use this option, which is video and audio upload. Right now I cannot upload because I'm using a free account. So you can also upload your audio or video to create a quiz quickly. So let me paste a YouTube link. So I already copied my latest YouTube video link here. So I'm going to upload. Just have a look. You just need to paste and click for create quiz. Once you click here, you can see a small window is appeared, which is showing your YouTube video you selected. There are so many language options are available, including Arabic, Hindi, Chinese, English, and so on. I'm going to select English only. And similarly, you can select according to the suitability of your students. Because I have opened one YouTube video for the teachers, so I'm selecting the last option, which is professional learning 25+. And now I'm just going to start the magic of Kwizie. Easy peasy lemon Kwizie. So let's create a quiz here. It will take approximately 1 to 6 minutes. Here we go. So it's ready now. So the first thing, you can give a finish date to your students. You can assign date according to your convenience. Even you can assign a particular time and date. And then you can also edit quiz questions and answers here. And there are some advanced conditions you can see. Let's see the advanced conditions according to your requirements. And you can give a time span for your students. For example, you can give only 15 seconds to respond, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, and 60 seconds. So let's make it 30 seconds and let's start going live. So once you click on go live, you will see it will generate one QR code. So it's very easy to share. So let me copy the link to experience how a student can see on their screens. So let's start quiz. We will do some question correct and some wrong to see how it's work and how it process and evaluate. So let's start quiz. What is the main advantage of simulation based learning? This is the first question. I need to select. So I select safe realistic environment, which is correct. So I finished my quiz and you can see the result. Let me check. So student can review its answer also. I'm going to click review my answers. This is the best part of Kwizie.ai, that it can give you a review. So students can review their answers. They can find the correct answer. So this is really amazing. It's create a quiz automatically without any instruction, very smartly using AI engine. And after completion of the question, students can review their own answers. I tried and generate quizzes and done with my students. Is really amazing and error free. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.